Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruise. Here we are, beautiful shop, Hagen shocks. Okay, this particular one, wild start. As you can see, you can put massive preload on this, so this is adjustable right up to it if you wanted to go that hard. But very well made, as you can see. UK, top of the range as usual from Britain. Don't go for all your Chinese stuff. See, all this is CNC. See all this stuff here? This isn't pressed tin like some of them are, who should be nameless. Okay, proper bushes in there, as you can see as well. This locking ring, as I say, you can screw this right up to if you want to really adjust the preload. And then of course you've got this to make sure it don't come undone. Now again, you can see the quality of this thing. This is removable, obviously, to put a stronger spring on or whatever by undoing this and compressing the spring down. This will unscrew. But very, very well made. Dealt with Hagen for a good time. Very excellent people. Now we can order a shock for you for whatever weight you like. So for instance, you're 30 stone, like this particular guy is. It's 14 on the front, 12 on the back, and then that allows 4 for luggage. Okay, now if you get a shock that's too hard, you'll be bouncing all over the place. Now Dave will obviously help us go through exactly what the customer wants, and he's a custom built. So if you want a real quality shock, as you can see, it's all CNC aluminium, not pressed tin like the originals. So amazing quality. Also available lowered, so you can get a lower version of this, but obviously you won't have as much travel. But shocks available for Harley Davidson, Triumph, you name it. Hagen, very good company. Give us a bell, 01773835666, customcruisers.com, alternatively customcruisers.eu. For your motocross stuff, adventuremotorcycle.parts, Simpson helmets, simpson-helmets.eu. Thank you.